Gavaskar lashed out at Buchanan after the Australian coach revealed he wanted separate captains for batting, bowling and fielding for the Knight Riders. He said, and I quote, "Buchanan is just milking his franchisee. He's also just getting his pals jobs in the Knight Riders side." And Dilip Vengsarkar and Ajit Wadekar have also criticized Buchanan's decision to strip Sourav Ganguly of sole captaincy for the Knight Riders. And reacting to Sunil Gavaskar's criticism of John Buchanan, we've had the Badshah of Bollywood himself, Shah Rukh Khan, the corner of the Knight Riders, coming out and saying that if Gavaskar really wants to tell him how to run the team, he should buy his own team.
हाँ, मैंने पढ़ा है और गावस्कर साहब ऑफ कोर्स मैं उनका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. आई थिंक यस्टर ईयर्स प्लेयर्स के अंदर जितने भी ग्रेट्स हुए हैं, आई थिंक गावस्कर साहब से ऑफ कोर्स सचिन और दादा और ये सब राहुल सब फैंटास्टिक हैं, बट मैं बड़ा हुआ हूँ विश्वनाथ साहब और गावस्कर साहब को देखकर, एंड आई लव देम. कपिल साहब, आई एम फैन एंड आई हैव लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट मोमेंट्स विद गावस्कर साहब. मैं बातचीत भी करता हूँ उनसे, दोस्ती भी है बहुत मेरी, और ऑब्वियसली उनकी जो क्रिकेट की नॉलेज है मुझसे कुछ 1.5 बिलियन गुना ज़्यादा है. तो वो अगर कोई बात लिख रहे हैं या उसके बारे में चर्चा कर रहे हैं तो मेरी तो हिम्मत भी नहीं कि मैं उसको क्वेश्चन कर सकूं या काउंटर कर सकूं. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, I would just like to add one thing, as I said right in the beginning of this press conference, that it is a format which perhaps, with due respect to Gavaskar Sahab, I love him and I truly will listen to him. I've read that article only because that's the only article I've read on the controversy, because I pay a lot of attention to what Gavaskar Sahab says. But I think it is an era of gameplay which maybe Gavaskar Sahab himself did not indulge in. You know, T20, I don't think Gavaskar Sahab played. But still I know his knowledge would be enough to make a comment on T20. I truly believe new format, new methodology, new attempts. जब वनडे शुरू हुआ था तभी भी बहुत चीज लोग बोलते थे कि ये नहीं चलेगा, रंगीन कपड़े हो गए, ऐसा तो बिल्कुल बेकार हो जाएगा, ये तो पजामा क्रिकेट है, ऐसा लोग बोलते थे इसको. So it is still, it's become part and parcel of our lives, but new things did come out in it. New clothes came out in it. A white ball came through it. I remember अभी एक pink ball आ रही है. You know, new things come and people look down upon it at times, and I would like to say, like I said in the beginning, नई चीज ट्राई करते करते अगर हार जाए तो बेहतर है कि पुरानी चीज कर करके ही हारें. आई थिंक एटलीस्ट एक नया अटेम्प्ट है. प्लीज गिव इट ब्रीदिंग स्पेस. मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मैं टीम चलाता हूँ, बहुत सारे पैसे खर्च करता हूँ, बहुत सारा पैशन है. अगर तकलीफ है तो अपनी टीम खुद खरीद लीजिए और फिर उसको जैसे चलाना है चला लीजिए. कोई मुझे तकलीफ नहीं है यार. मेरे को इतने लोग बोलते हैं ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. Let us please give us breathing space to try a new thing. खुदा ना खास्ता, if we fail, obviously we will learn कि ये method गलत था. कोशिश.
All right, Shah Rukh Khan there. I think he's had enough now, hasn't he? Because this is probably the first time we've actually come out and heard Shah Rukh Khan say that just leave me alone. I know I run a team. I've paid for it. I've bought it. Let me do it my way.
Absolutely, Rasham. I think any person who has spent so much of millions of dollars, rupees to buy a team or to buy a player, I think he has all the right to give a free hand to coach or a captain, or he can run whichever way he wants to. But yes, there is a method to run, and he's happy with that Buchanan theory. I think there is no harm in trying it. You know, if you try and lose, then that is fine. You know that this is not going to work. Go back to your basic. But unless and until you try something, you won't come to know which is successful and which is not successful.
Very true, Nayan. Like you said, we'll never know unless you try something. So Shah Rukh Khan coming out there and very politely, in a sense, telling Sunil Gavaskar that let me run my team the way I want to. You want to give suggestions, buy your own team and do it for them. Nayan Mongia, thanks so much for joining us this evening. Well, we're heading into a short break.